Hello everyone and welcome to our second Titfield Thunderbolt video this month. Now, as you all know, this has been a really personal project for all of us here at Rapido, and we have wanted to create the perfect miniature masterpiece of this iconic film. Now, as you will have seen in our various pictures along the way and our CAD drawings and everything else, we have gone to great lengths to make sure this model is as accurate on the outside and on the inside as it can possibly be. However, we thought that wasn't quite enough, and we decided it really needed to come to life with a little bit of sound. Now, I'm not going to sit and talk too much about how we've created this and what we've done with it, but suffice to say, Studio Canal, our partners in this, have been really helpful with us, and we have created something that we hope you'll find fun, enjoyable, along with being as authentic as possible. Now, I'm going to be honest, I am just going to shut up now. We are going to give you a rundown of all the functions on our DCC sound version, and we're going to let the engine do the talking.
Oh, Sam, what a little beauty, you lucky devil. What an experience, what an experience. You've seen a fork in the museum, but to stand on her. I did once mount the North Star. You know, she's 222 with a double crank driving axle. But this, oh, she won't couple. Huh? This type of coupling didn't come until 30 years later. 33, to be precise. 1875? Yes, you're quite right on. Observe the departure. You may take the train out. This is it, Olly. Oh, Sam. One's first sermon all over again. Minutes late already. Little desperandum, Olly. I may hazard a comment, I think you were particularly fortunate. All other requirements having been satisfactory, it would have been a pity if your timing had let you down. Fortunate? Had you reached an average speed of 25 miles an hour, it would have exceeded the limits imposed on the light railway. It was a very near thing. Be more careful next time.
So there we go, we've seen our Titfield Thunderbolt train packs, you've now heard the Deluxe Titfield Thunderbolt train packs, and now you need to go and order your Titfield Thunderbolt train packs. The order deadline closes on the 1st of September. They're available direct from us at www.rapidotrains.co.uk or from any of our official retailers.